So this video is for Programming Challenge 9-6 Font and Color Tester. Create an application that tests the way different fonts and different color combinations appear. The application should display some text in the label and have a menu in the item select font and select color. Select font menu item should display a font color dialog box and a color drop-down list. Application should change the text display in the font in the label and to the font in the color selected in the dialog box. The select color menu item should display a color dialog box. So that's two dialog boxes. The application should change the background color of the label to the color selected in the dialog box. All right. So let's go to Visual Basic here. And Font and Color Tester. Let's see what I did. Ooh. So this is our label. We changed the name of our form, called it Font and Color Tester. I think I called it FRM Color, Font and Color. And then I put a button that says Choose Font. I put a button that says Choose Label and one to exit, and one label, which I made called Color Font, and I made it 28 point here. Okay, and I put a menu, and then I put a close menu, which has an exit button, which is coded the same as this exit here. And then the menu, you got colors, which is the color here, and you got your font. So if we click in here, this is when you click on it. So you make a variable for the color dialog result. So your font is your font dialog 1, show dialog. So down here, we put a menu here from down here. Oops. That's it. So we put a color dialog here. I didn't even change the name. I just called it color dialog 1. I put a font dialog here, which is font dialog 1. The menu strip, which is here. That one here. Put that there, which makes these menus up here. And so that's the color dialog box. That's the font dialog box. So if we go back, whoops, we don't need the second font dialog. So if we look at choose color again, font dialog, show the font dialog. Show the form for the font. If font, and that's your font variable right there, is Windows Forms dialog result is okay, then change the font label to the color selected. So LBL font color equals the font here. This is the menu item, menu font. It's the same thing. Same exact code from here was copied and pasted into the menu right here. So this is the close button. So if we go back up, now we want to look at the colors. This is the colors. This is the menu on the menu strip. So that in the button, initialize the variable for the colors. So we called, instead of font, we called it color as dialog result. So colors is the color dialog 1 dialog box, and then show the dialog, show the form. So if the colors here is the Windows form dialog result is okay. So whatever color you pick, then change the font, the color of the font, to the colored dialog box. So if you copy that, right click and copy it, then you go down to your menu colors and you paste that into here. That's the same stuff. So to see how that works, I need some neck exercises. So here we go. So this is our menu. These are our menu items, those colors. So we have a color dialog box. So if we choose, let's say we choose this red color. So okay, so that changes the font color to the red color. So if we choose a color again, say we'll go purple, it changes it to purple. And the first one we did was from here. Changed it to red. Okay. Second one was here. We changed it. It's the same exact code. Changes it. So if we choose the font here, we go bold, and what we had 28 before. Let's say we'll put 20 now. Okay, so it changed the size of it now. It's still the same color. So if we go to font here, we get the font dialog. So if we oblique, you change it to 26. Now we got 26 font style and the color. And that's it. So if we go back and we choose that. So anyway, that's how that works. So once again, you got your choose font, which is this right here. And if you copy this, whoops, you copy that, and you go back here and you go into here and you double click here, then that would be this code right here. Just paste it in. Right click, paste. Then that's for the font. So then for the color, this is the menu for the color right here. So if you declare a variable called colors first, and as it's an object, it's as a dialog result of the object. So the colors is whatever the choice you do for the color dialog box form that pops up. If colors equals okay, then whatever color you choose, and the LBL font, the for color of that font is the color you chose from the color dialog box. Then if you copy that, go up to your menu strip, which you to here, if you go into your menu strip, you double click your colors, and you just paste that into here, and now you have your menu form. So once again, if we run it one more time, choose a font, bold, 28 point, okay, choose a color, choose green, okay, and we choose the colors here, and we make it, let's say, purple, and we choose the font, and that's it. So we exit, and that is programming challenge, what I say, 9-6 font and color tester for Introduction to Visual Basic for Shasta College, Anthony Gaddis and Kip Irvine, fall semester 2020. Thanks for watching. All right, bye.